Hello and welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to make a new style of pasta that's known as Alfredo chicken pasta. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Alfredo chicken pasta was my all-time favorite fancy restaurant order when I was a kid. Now this fancy dish, I make this at home, so let's get started. I have taken 1 cup of Fusilli pasta over here. Now we will boil the pasta as per the instruction mentioned outside the package. On the other side, let's heat the pan on medium flame. Add cooking oil or olive oil 2 tablespoons. Once the oil is heated, add the boneless chicken. We have taken breast chicken over here. We'll add it on the pan. Always take breast chicken over here and slice it into small size. After this, we'll add salt as per taste. Freshly crushed black pepper, half tablespoon. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes until it's cooked completely. After some time, flip it to the other side so that the other side cooks well and turns golden brown. Now you can press and check if the chicken is cooked. Once it's cooked, take this out in a plate. Now our boiled pasta is ready, chicken is ready. We'll make the sauce. We'll take the same pan. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil or olive oil. Sliced onion we'll add 1 complete onion. Keep frying it until it turns golden brown. Now adding chopped garlic 3. After this we'll add half capsicum diced well. Add salt as per taste. Adding crushed black pepper half tablespoon. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes in medium flame. Now as we can see, our onions have turned golden brown. We'll add milk 250 ml or 1 cup. Now add fresh cream 1 tablespoon. Mix this well and let this come to a boiling point. Now add boiled pasta to it. Add fried chicken. Add oregano or mixed herbs half tablespoon. After that, add chili flakes half tablespoon. If you want a bit more spicy, you can add more chili flakes to it. Mix everything well. Now we'll cover it with the lid and cook for 2 minutes. Our Alfredo chicken pasta is ready to serve. Serve it hot. Isn't it yummy and delicious? I am sure you must be feeling hungry. Try this recipe at home and enjoy with your loved ones. After serving it, garnish it with chili flakes and oregano. You can add a pinch of black pepper powder as well. Try this yummy and delicious recipe of chicken Alfredo pasta at home and enjoy. For more exciting recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the latest updates. Also now you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching.